Okay, using the outer loop, just repeating. Now, as you can see here, it has all. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. This is Miss Nuria learning Scratch. In today's lesson, we'll explore how to make a waveform, a sine waveform. So I have already made a script. I will, if you go through the script, exploring new blocks or new commands and how this waveform is done. So I started making a simple line, choosing a red color, and then thickness setting to 10, and just draw a short line segment. You can see. Then this script, this is part of the script, sets the size to full dimension and makes the sprite point upwards, okay, vertical. And so that's why I have 0.0 degree and it's upward. And the starting position is this one. So it sets the starting position and direction of this sprite. Okay, I have a variable c, it's set to 0 initially when it's beginning. And then the second script here, it has an outer loop which goes 30 times, and then we have two inner loops. Okay, repeat 12 and then repeat 12 here, each doing a separate part of the sine wave. I am using a command from the control block. It's called create clone of myself. So what it does is creates a copy of this sprite. Okay, now we're not using any command from the pen, we're just using the clone and then some commands from the motion block to do this in a loop. Okay, let's do that now. Going through this, the first inner loop, what it's doing is creating half cycle of the sine wave, and the second loop is creating the other opposite cycle. Okay, to make full cycle, half upper and half lower. Okay, so that makes a full sine wave cycle. And then we have this part of the script, because we are not just drawing one waveform, we are drawing this repeated sine wave cycle. And then we'll go up, we'll send the sprite a little bit up. That direction is movement in the upward direction is controlled by the variable c. So it goes when painting a sine wave has reached this edge, it will send it back to this beginning, and then it will not paint on the same waveform, rather it should go up and make another waveform. Okay, this script will stop painting while still the command is running. It won't make a copy, because what I've experienced is, from experience, that the clone will make certain copies of sprite and it will not go further than that number of sprites making copy. It has a limit. Okay, let's hit the green button and start and show you what it is doing. Okay, wow, interesting, right? So that segment, moving it half cycle, that's the first half cycle, this is the second half cycle, and then it just repeats. Using the outer loop, it's just repeating. Now, as you can see here, it has following, it's not making any clone. Okay, that's a limitation so far. Upon that be the limitation, the clone stops making further clones. But you got the idea how you can make a sine wave. You want to start again and see? Yeah, it's interesting. At the beginning, it's not perfect, but later on, it becomes much more nice. Okay, that's it for today. I'll just move this up so you can see the full script. Thank you for following.